Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil, the oil filter and the air filter on Toyota RAV4 2 liters D4D. This is the engine that I'm going to be replacing the oil on. First we're going to loosen the oil filler cap, which is right there. Next I'll show you the location of the oil filter. The oil filter is located right there. To get access to it we need to go underneath the car. Now we're underneath the car. This is the oil pan right there, and this is the oil drain plug that we're going to drain the oil from, and this is the oil filter. Next we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the oil filter, but to get better access to the oil filter, first we're going to remove this engine under tray, just this part of it, not the whole thing. And now we're going to remove the oil filter using this special tool. That's the oil filter removed. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new oil filter that I'm going to be using, and this is the part number for it. Make sure you lubricate the rubber ring on the oil filter before putting it on. Now when you're tightening the oil filter, just hand tighten it as much as possible, but only by hand. Next we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'll show you in the service manual the specifications for this engine. The filling capacity is 6.4 liters, sump drain bolt is 34 Newton meters, and you can put in this car 5W30 or 1040 or whatever needs to be put on for your car. Next we're going to remove the oil filler cap and start filling the engine with oil. This is the oil that I'm going to be using. When I fill the engine with the right amount of oil before checking the level on the dipstick, you can first start the car so that the oil filter gets filled in with oil, and afterwards this is the oil dipstick right there where you check the level. You just take out the dipstick, clean it, and then put it in again and just look at the level of the oil. If the oil level is okay, then we're going to remove this funnel and put on the oil filler cap, and we're done with replacing the engine oil. Next, we're going to replace the air filter. The air filter is located right there. This is the air filter housing. It's held by two plastic metal clips that we need to remove. And this is the air filter. We take it out, and now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new air filter, and that's the part number for it. Now we're going to put it on and assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.